brain.
Coming off that high, it's that double zap wrapped around some funk in the trunk. I got the Mossberg pumping, bout to jack a pump. And when that sickness hits, I'm like a new stage. Watch my back hit the dank, load the gas, make the grade 12 midnight. My niggas on the stroll, Mr. Doc, Baby Reg, Brother Lynch, Big Dan. We bout to roll, riding deep, hella high, so nigga peep this. Take your Glock off safety, turn around and hit the street. And when I got the milli pictured in my head, ain't no stopping, cause the devil said I'm halfway dead. What can I say? Got them evil thoughts filling up my head. Low to the brain on that insane tip. EBK every day. The block style bitch smoking dank with my braids in my hair, and I'm riding on a full tank. My 9 on the side going both ways. Pillar niggas capping and I'm sideways.
Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way. Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way.
Now try to peek this watch, G straight low. Killer rollin' 5 in the dip, slow to the point, set trippin' after fuckin' with that sick juice. A fucking pump, 12 rounds of that knock lock the plot.
You down the road?
Yeah, we fucking with them body drops. Stop, hit the lights, there them niggas go. Reach for your flags, your straps, and roll the windows low. Roll slow, these niggas looking like they know it's a hit. They fucking ducking, dodging bullets. Damn, I emptied the clip. They bustin' back, tryna hit us from the blind side low. A fucking donut in the 12 gauge pump. Ain't from the window. What's up now, nigga? Yeah. LOC to the point. Engage blast equals rest in pain. Insane low, so a nigga don't give a fuck. It's in the heart, so these rival niggas straight stuck. I let the gauge loose. Damn, I never seen so much blood. It's all for the gang, and the gang shows no love, fool. So if you ever see us rolling through your side, it ain't all good. I suggest you
Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way.
Come with me deep, see how I'm about to deal with all this backward type bitch shit. Them fools that say they'll kill us, taking hits, not doing shit when they get lit up on they tuck. Some move on with their life, won't even left, and since that time I haven't heard from him. Now that's my low right, damn, where'd you go, folks? Remember we supposed to be the ones with brains this low, so nigga fuck it, I'll do it like your ass is dead, and touch them niggas with the Mac 11 out of the shell. I'm burning up the village, nigga, life is a bitch. So I set the tags and name on the wall, you fucking snitch. So you make a switch on how you gang banging.
LOC into the brain.
Real locs don't play that way, see. Your niggas on the other side, it's best to hit the flow and watch them flesh shredders about to rip your asshole apart. And now what is said, and what was said will come to pass from Mr. Doc, amen. God bless your
Look to
ways.
the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way. Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way.
See, I was standing in the middle of a circle cause a nigga is trying to jack me with a 9mm Ruger and a 6D posse, but I ain't going out for a jack move. The only thing on my mind is pulling my 9 and this handling these fools. Now tell me what you busters want with me. They started talking about pockets on the ground. You mean empty my loot out? Your fools must be smoking sherms, but I'll be glad to put my strap up in your face and let some gunpowder burn. Now take a lesson from a Sacktown criminal. I'm standing all alone in the street and talking shit to your circle, and ain't no blasting. Y'all must be bluffing. Threw up my sign and grabbed my 9mm 9 and started busting on niggas and watching every motherfucker try to run. That look to the brain got a nigga insane with a fucking empty gun. So I'ma continue to strike and stay alone and maintain my self-pride, cause when I ride it's always low to the brain.
Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way. Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps. You can't see me for the fact that the inside of my straps in your sight. About to put some slugs in your throat and put your guts in my coat and hit the night. Drop a sack of endo in my pipe, and it's EBK every day, all day to the day I hit my grave site. That low to the brain, cause it's all red rum. A couple of hits from the purple split for the work and a fifth of the coke and rum. I have my 12 gauge pump, decorating niggas' brains. Nigga nuts and guts is how we get sick, them northern cow slangs. That low to the brain shit ain't no gang, Mr. Gang. Them niggas that kill they mama for some fame. It ain't no thing, it ain't no way. I dump and let them niggas live, cause where I'm from we walking up on them, busting them reps up in them niggas' ribs. It's 12 o'clock, full of that split, full of that ammo in my Glock 9, creeping through your set. Hit the stop sign, sideways bust, then I see CAC 24 C's, feel the breeze from the slugs in my 9. Now rest in peace. Insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load them straps cause the rivals on their way. Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause the rivals on their way. Look to the brain insane every day, all day it's EBK. Where niggas load they straps cause